A moment ago, we were strangers. And that is what life is all about. And it is fate. It is set. You know, our meeting, as they would say, with the greatest respect in the Muslim faith, of which I have studied, is called Inshallah, our meeting. Right? Hopefully, right?
Right.
And when it happens, we say, Mashallah.
MashaAllah.
Right? And it's my great privilege to be here today with Aslan.
Yeah.
Right? And Aslan is from Malaysia.
Yep.
So we're here having tea. And Aslan, what type of tea do you like? I mean, you've had such a varied career from all over the world.
Tea.
Yeah.
I'm not very picky when it comes to tea.
Okay.
So, but today you recommended this African tea.
From Zimbabwe.
From Zimbabwe, yes.
From the Hondi Valley.
Hondi Valley, yep.
And I'm going to have some tea from Mozambique.
Yeah.
But the main point, whether it's tea or whether we're being strangers, it's having that character of openness and accepting other people together that makes this place a better world. What words of would you like to share with people who may have been strangers and now we are building a friendship?
Yeah. Well, it doesn't hurt to be nice to people. In general, if you're nice to people, people will be nice to you back in return. You know, so if not, well, then that's too bad. At least you are nice to people, and not necessarily it will be reciprocated, right? Yeah.
Now, I hope I got this word, which is one of the best words that I've ever learned today.
Okay.
And it says thank you in Malay. Is that right? Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Yeah.
Terima kasih to you, and hope you visit Malaysia. A fantastic people, and here we have Aslan, a great example.
There we go. Bye.
I hope you've liked the video, and if you have, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.